guys, welcome to my channel Fat Fashion Fitness and my name is Siddhi. So in this video I will be reviewing Sugar Cosmetics Baby Cushion Compact. Now this comes in 10 to 12 different shades and mine is a 50 Mocha. So I am NC 44.5 in the MAC fluid range. Also, apart from that, 1099 is the cost, is MRP that they have put. Also, this product is available on Nykaa and the Sugar Cosmetics site itself. So if you are new to cushion foundations or cushion compacts, then there are a quick so this is like a quick general knowledge. So cushion compacts were first originated in Korea. Of course, we all know Korea is the epitome of skincare, and that is why every cushion foundation has something special, something special ingredient that they add apart from the foundation or the BB or the CC cream. So in this particular product we have got bentonite clay. Now bentonite clay is well known to allow your skin to become clean and clear, and also it strengthens the skin, so the collagen formation is increased, I can say. Okay, so apart from that, it also helps in antibacterial properties and in flushing off toxins from your skin. So if you've got oily skin, then two bentonite clay will be really beneficial. However, cushion foundation are known to give a very sheer and dewy sort of a finish, a satiny finish, and that is why many women with oily skin tend to flee away from cushion compacts because they have got oily skin and they don't want the dewy finish. So yeah, I have combination skin, and I will be testing this today. So this is my very first time that I'm using a cushion compact, and let me start with showing you how it looks. So this is how it comes, a very sturdy packaging and a very airtight sort of a packaging. This is almost the size of a regular compact. So once you open it, you will get this nice antibacterial sponge. This is not a regular sponge. These are always the antibacterial sort of a sponge, and that is why I feel the price point of the entire product rises or shoots up. So the finish of this sponge or the applicator is very velvety and very smooth. I feel it is almost like a beauty blender. Coming to the packaging here, so you have a full size mirror here, which, so I haven't really peeled off the covering, and this is the tub. Now this tub can be entirely removed from the packaging, so that when your product finishes, you will land up, you will have to purchase only the refill, and yeah, you will be good to go. So you will have to flip open this lid to actually come to the product. Now why there is a lid here? Because so that it gives a very airtight and compact sort of packaging, and since there is a cushion inside, they it might just be affected by all the humidity or the temperature or bacteria of the air, and that is why this is always airtight. So this is a cushion in which all the product is. Now if I quickly dab, you will be able to see the product on the sponge. Application, you have to load up the applicator sponge like so, and you have to start dabbing and tapping onto your skin in small even tapping motions. Now generally cushion compacts are supposed to be applied with the cushion that they come in, sorry, with the applicator that they come in, because you will not be able to really pick up product from the cushion with a different sponge or with a brush. Also, for people who like matte finish, for them cushion foundation might not be a very happy choice. So I have till date always used matte foundations because I have a very oily skin, so my T zone is extremely oily, and that is why I have always used mattifying foundation. But the glow and the shine that this BB cushion compact is providing is, I think, quite addictive, and um, I must say I'm very happy with how the product looks on my skin. Also, one thing that I enjoyed is the application is quite quickly. If you want a mattifying effect for this, then you can always go for a translucent powder. Again, this is from Sugar Cosmetics. So now that I have applied the translucent powder as well, so now you will be able to see that my face is very mattifying, and it is not the gluey or the dewy finish that it originally gave. So you can always use a translucent powder to set it up. So apart from that, this particular product stayed on my skin in a dry climate, so which has very low humidity, and my skin is very oily, and I stepped out of my house under the sun during at around 4 p.m. So yeah, so 4 to 8 p.m. I was out in the sun, and this product stayed on for about 4 hours, after which I was very shiny. Second thing that I noticed was I splashed my face with water, and it was, almost out of habit sort of a gesture, and the product just stayed on. So it wouldn't budge, it would just stay, and that was the most amazing thing. Also, it is very lightweight. I'm not feeling anything at all on my face, so that is a added thing. Fourth benefit is the bentonite clay itself. The product, it has these properties of healing and strengthening your skin, which I am very impressed. Now you might be wondering why such a high cost for such a small amount of product. It is only 12 grams of product, by the way. So yes, of course, it is very costly. It is, in four digit, beyond 1,000 rupees, which is a big concern if it's only 12 grams of product. However, my opinion about this will be that it is not just a foundation, it is not just a regular BB cream, it is rather a treatment for your skin. And that is one thing that is the best about this particular product. I can always add some clear serums, wrinkle free wrinkle care serums, or whitening serums, or tightening and glowy serums, or any acne care serums in it, and it will be good to go. Apart from that, to get a more high amount of coverage, I can also put my original skin colored concealers in it, and yeah, I will have a high coverage compact cushion compact. So I think the cost is worth it, the product is worth it, and the best part is the ease in which it comes, and the application is really easy. So only one tiny product and you have an entire face of foundation. So this was all about Sugar Cosmetics Power Clay BB Cushion. I liked it. However, I would have liked if I got a couple of, bucks on discount. So if it were for 800 or 900 rupees, then I would say a big thumbs up. However, the cost is not very healthy on my pockets. Um, but it gives me the ease of a compact within such a small packaging. So I feel this is amazing. It is very easy to carry, it is very sturdy, plus it gives me a good coverage, and it lasts for a good 4 hours. So that is a perfect uh, deal for me. So yep, this I know is a Sunday video which was very impromptu, but I wanted to put across this review as soon as possible. So my Tuesday video is still on, and this outfit, this shirt, is a part of my Tuesday outfit. Sorry, my Tuesday lookbook. So stay tuned and see you on Tuesday. For my last video, kindly check here. For all the other sugar cosmetic smudges that I have done, kindly check this video, and this is the subscribe button. Until next Tuesday, bye.